All right, this is going to be another quick video because .12 just dropped, and quite frankly, there's not a lot here to demonstrate. But let's quickly go through it, and there was really some things they wanted to get out for support reasons. As you can see in the README, Keith added the F48 V5 support, so that's the new product coming from Falcon pixelcontroller.com. And Dan has got some new stuff coming out or is now available for the Culp line. So that'd be culplights.com. I do not know anything more than what you see here. Dan is also in tandem with this product added some Servo code that was mentioned in .11, and he's tweaked it again in .12. While we're here, let me quickly go over to the videos. Dan put out a video, and I will include it in a link in the comment section that you can review if servos are what you're looking to do. And some other minor things. Scott has put out some enhancements to FPP8 and feeding descriptions and such in the connect statement. He's also put in the groundwork for, again, FPP8. I believe it's only for FPP8 and forward. The FPP connect statement will now remove models, the generated models. And let me pause the screen and get something to show you for that one. 1 second. Okay, so I don't have version 8, but here's an FPP instance. What we're talking about here is models. Maybe you didn't even realize this, but under status control display testing, again, this is only relevant if you're running FPP or not running xScheduler or something else. On the model names here, there's this list of models that comes. This is sent when you do the FPP connect. I go Tools, FPP connect. And there's some rules here. It says, if it's you don't always need to push the models. It's only if the models or the props are on different controllers, like say they're on Falcons. Anyway, it's this drop down here, models. Before, when you pushed all or local, etc., it would just push models there, but it wouldn't clean up the old ones. So if you had a Halloween set of models, and then all of a sudden you push the Christmas models, all the Halloween models would still appear in this drop down. It got very confusing. Anyway, the fix was back in the day, would you go over to pixel overlay models, where these are all hiding, and maybe you didn't know that, but they're always there. You had to delete all of these. So you would come in here and you delete all the Halloween models, push in the Christmas models. I believe, I haven't got confirmation, hopefully Scott will give me some confirmation, that this will now be deleted, cleared out, so that your Halloween models will be cleared out and your Christmas models will go put in. The caveat here is that you have the ability to add your own models here. So he's made it smart enough that if you added your own custom models, they will not be removed. There's a special case of when you do this sort of thing. It's an advanced topic that just to be aware of. Anyway, so we'll go back to here. We have the ability to import and export custom strings on custom models. I'm guessing that was part of it. Wasn't included in the import and the export of the model when you did it. So right-click export or right-click import. Visualizer should now show. Okay, let me quickly show what that means. So in here, cancel here, and I think I've got. Oh, this one should probably work. Although I'm not sure it's going to show it properly, but let's see. Let's see how it works. Oh, okay, it does work. But in previous versions, it would show ports 1, 2, and then it would still show 3 and 4, but they'd be red. They'd be, you couldn't access them. That caused some confusion, but Dan has gone and said, you know what? If you only have 2 ports on there, just show 2 ports. Don't show them in groups of 4. Like if you go to an F48, for example, visualize, you'll see they're in groups of 4. You notice the little highlighting, the green band, the blue band, the yellow band. So they were always in groups of 4, and now they just show exactly what you need, whether it's 2 or 4, or groups of 2 or 4. Fix crash with layer names, something I discovered when doing the video last time. If you go to the layout and go to, I think it was, no, I think it was in the sequence, wasn't it? Click there, create a new sequence. And it used to crash when you did, where is it here? Well, let's just see if we can do it here. Nope, can't do it there. So expand that out. Let's try here. Edit layer name. So I can say test. Yep, so that's working now. That was not working. That was causing the crash previously. So you can add your own things there. And if I say insert multiple layers below, and I can say edit layer name, maybe this is going to be my, I don't know, base layer. I don't know, whatever. There might be some reasons where you might say just to highlight that this layer is for a certain purpose, maybe. Anyway, that was quickly fixed. This is talking about the servo effect stuff that was added by Dan. He fixed a value curve that was an issue from 11. This is something that's getting people in. And quite frankly, I don't think Scott's quite got it figured it out yet, because I've checked and it still is a problem. It seems that some videos, not all videos, are causing the hardware video decoding to basically throw an error every millisecond. So your render times will basically go infinite. They almost can't even finish. So under File, Preferences, Other, if you have hardware decoding and you have something like auto, you may be running into this issue. The fix for now, unfortunately, is to turn it off until we get that ironed out. And I think if I go Tools, View Log, you might see, let me just see if I've got it here. No, I guess I had it in my test. The log will just get huge with an exception error that it's having issues with the CUDA, which is NVIDIA video card. So if you've enabled that, you're probably going to want to disable it until that is ironed out and fixed up. Anyway, that's it for .12. I don't think there's any other issues at this point, but stay tuned. I'll put anything I find in the comments. If you have any questions or such, be sure to hit the comments. Come on over to the Zoom room and like and subscribe. Talk to you later.